Watch this video and learn how to draw Artie's cute friend, Bunny Fluffington.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
Well, I'm very well also, thank you.
Oh, good. Yeah.
Are you excited to make some art?
Yeah. Very excited. Oh.
Should we do a drawing of your friend, Bunny Fluffington?
Yeah. Okay.
Bunny is one of your best friends.
Yay. Happy, 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 happy.
It's so great to see you today.
It's wonderful!
Are you ready to start, Artie?
Yeah.
Artie,
Yeah.
are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's get this drawing going.
Man, he's really gonna have to focus on this one.
Yes, he is!
Let's start by drawing a small circle right in the middle of the page. This is going to be Bunny Fluffington's nose. Good start, Artie. Now, let's draw Bunny's big smiling mouth underneath the nose. One side to the other, a big smiley shape. Now let's draw her little bunny teeth sticking down from the mouth. And draw a line up the middle to show 2 teeth. That's a great start. Should we draw her eyes?
Okay.
Draw 2 tiny little circles above her nose, one on the left, one on the right, but be careful to leave a little V shape missing from the circle. That's it, that's perfect, Artie. Let's do the same on the right side. A tiny circle, remember to leave that little V shape missing, and then shade it in black. Little artists, if Artie is drawing too quick, here's a special message from our friend Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. That was very helpful. Now, Artie, let's make Bunny's eyes larger. Draw a little half circle around the eye that we've already drawn, and then let's draw lots of tiny little triangles. Shade them in black. That's going to be Bunny Fluffington's eyelashes. It takes some patience to draw all these little triangles and shade them in black. Artie's really concentrating. That's perfect, Artie. Now let's draw exactly the same around the right eye. Remember what we did? Half a circle first, and then lots of tiny little triangles, each one shaded in black. She already looks very pretty, Artie.
Yeah.
It's a lovely day to create some art!
Sure is.
Now, using a thinner pen, let's draw another half circle around the top of the eyelashes. That's going to be Bunny Fluffington's eyelids. The same on the right side, of course. Now let's draw a nice thin circle around her eye pupils. That's it, just a little bit larger than the pupils. Draw as perfect a circle as you can. Now her eyes are complete. She's watching you, Artie. Now, using a thicker marker, let's draw a curved line to show the left side of her nose. And we can also draw another half circle underneath the eyes to make the eyes really pop. Don't forget the right side of her nose.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but it sure looks good.
It really does, Mikey.
Now let's draw her right cheek, and don't forget her chin underneath. Now let's draw the left side of her chin, and of course, her left cheek. Excellent work, Artie. Now let's draw Bunny Fluffington's bow. She always wears a bow in between her ears. A little square knot in the middle of the bow. A wing on the right at the top, and a wing on the left, also at the top. And then, of course, let's do the same at the bottom. Add a few little detail lines as if they're creases in the fabric. Can you have a cartoon break? Okay, go have a cartoon break, but don't be long.
This painting is very famous. It's called the Mona Lisa.
Wow, I've seen photos of this before. Who painted it?
His name is Leonardo da Vinci.
She could have smiled.
She's happy.
I want to be in a painting.
One day, Mikey. This famous painting is painted by Andy Warhol.
Is she called Mona too?
No, Mikey, she's a movie star.
They had movies back then?
Yes, this painting was done a long time after the Mona Lisa in the 1960s. It was a style called pop art.
Pop art? Like a popsicle?
It means popular art.
Ah, it's 8 suns.
They are stars. This painting is called The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh.
Is this as old as the last one?
It's very old. It's a classic.
Just like you.
What a great cartoon break, Artie. We learned lots about art in the Cartoon Art Gallery. Okay, come on, let's finish this drawing. Okay, it's time to draw Bunny Fluffington's big rabbit ears. Let's draw a sort of upside down U shape on the right, coming from the left side of the bow and down to the right side of the bow. Now draw another upside down U, smaller, inside the ear. That's perfect. Now let's do the left ear. Same thing again. Big upside down U shape. And then a smaller upside down U inside the ear. Let's draw Bunny Fluffington's left hand. She has lovely fluffy hands. Just 4 little fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then curve the hand round. And let's draw Bunny's bracelet. Bunny wears a pretty bracelet with little daisy flowers on the bracelet. We'll just draw 2 circles. Now let's draw her forearm and her elbow, and then we'll connect up towards her head. Bunny wears a shirt with frilly sleeves, so let's draw the left sleeve first. Nice jagged wavy line, that's to show the frilly shape. She also wears suspenders with little daisy flowers on there as well, so let's draw some circles inside our suspender. We'll draw 4 circles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little circles.
That looks fantastic.
Just marvelous.
Now it's time to draw her right hand. We'll draw it similar to the left, just a little bit different. Don't forget her frilly sleeve. And her right suspender. Don't forget the little circles inside. Now we can add her belt. Let's draw those 4 little circles now. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Can you remember what's on the front of Bunny's shirt, Artie? That's right, it's a carrot. Bunny has a carrot on the front of her shirt. We'll use a thinner pen for this. Draw a carrot shape with some little curved lines to give it some curve. And then, of course, on the top, the green part. You finished? It looks really good, Artie. I can't wait to see it when it's coloured. You know, Bunny is very pink. You're going to have to use your pink marker pens.
It's coloring time. I can't believe how good it looks.
I agree, guys. It looks fantastic.
Hi, Artie! And hello, little artists! I'm Bunny Fluffington!